Hi students, good morning everyone. Now let us see some example problems. For that you go to the previous video and refer it properly. So in that video I have given the difference between congruence triangle and similar triangles. Now we are going to check whether the given triangles are similar or not. So to find this, we have to check the sides are proportional or not and is there any common angle. So let us check. First question, example 4.1. So it is given, show that triangle PST is similar to triangle PQR. The first question, the diagram it is given is PQR, a big triangle. Inside that, one more triangle is that is PST. So these two triangles in a common angle. So P is common. Angle P is common for both PST and PQR. The triangle is given like this, and the units for PS is 2 units, SQ is 1 unit, PT is 4 units, TR is 2 units. Now how to solve this? So first take two triangles. In triangle PST and in triangle PQR. So write down the corresponding sides and their proportionality. See, in triangle PST, take side PS. இந்த side எடுத்துக்கோங்க. Triangle PQல அதே sideல இருக்கிற அந்த length PQ எடுத்துக்கோங்க. So it is PS, PSTல, PQRல PQ. So PS எவ்வளோ 2. PQ எவ்வளோ 2 plus 1. இந்த ரெண்டையும் ஆட் பண்ணி PQ க்கு எழுதிக்கணும். So 2 plus 1, 2/3. And take the other side. அதே மாதிரி PST, first எந்த triangle எடுக்கிறோமோ அதான் எடுக்கணும். So PST ல PT எடுத்துக்கிறேன். PQRல அதே sideல இருக்கிற PR. So now write down the units it is given. PT is 4. PR is 4 plus 2, 6. So 2 times 3 times. So 2/3. 2 table அடிச்சுக்குடுங்க 2/3. But these two sides are equal. So therefore I can write PS by PQ is equal to PT by PR. So I can write two sides are proportional. So two sides are proportional and angle P is common. இப்போ என்னப்பா கிடைச்சிருக்கு? ரெண்டு side angle. So நம்ம படிச்ச similarity என்னென்ன படிச்சிருக்கோம்? AA similarity, SAS similarity, SSS similarity. இந்த மூணுல ஒன்று வரணும். இங்க நமக்கு ரெண்டு சைடு ஒரு ஆங்கிள் கிடைச்சிருக்கு. So SAS similarity கிடைச்சிருக்கு. So it is comes under SAS similarity. So therefore I can say that triangle PST is similar to triangle PQR. So இதே மாதிரி இன்னொரு கொஸ்டினும் செக் பண்ண போறோம். It is question number 2. So what is given in question number 2? So the same question, show that triangle PST is similar to triangle PQR. இப்போ triangle இப்படி கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So it is PQR and ST is given like this, and the units are 2, 3. Here also 2, 3. So very easy this one. So solution in triangle PST and triangle PQR. Take PST ல அதே மாதிரி இந்த triangle. So angle P is common. PS by இதே sideல PQRல PQ எடுத்துக்கணும். So PS என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க 2. So PQ na take this whole length. So add these two numbers and write 2 plus 3 is 5. So it is 2/5. And take The other side PT by PR. PT by PR is equal to. So what is PT? 2. What is PR? The same, 2 plus 3. So which is equal to 2 by 5. So I can say that PS by PQ is equal to PT by PR. So two sides are proportional. So two sides are equal. Angle P is common. So it comes under SAS similarity. So ரெண்டு சைடு ஒரு ஆங்கிள் ஈக்குவலா இருக்கும்போது PSTல PSும் PQRல PQவும் proportional. அதே மாதிரி PSTல PTயும் PQRல PRும் proportional. So these two sides, ரெண்டு sides எனக்கு ஈக்குவலா கிடைக்குது. Angle P is common for both the triangles. So SSA, that is SAS similarity. Therefore, triangle PST is similar to triangle PQR. So now example 4.2. Now example 4.2. So what it is asked is triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. இந்த ரெண்டு triangleம் similar. Now the triangle is also given. It is ABC triangle. கொஞ்சம் சின்னதா ஒரு triangle கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. It is PQR. So it is PQR, one triangle. And the measurement it is given is, it is 6 and 10, here 3 by 4. So 3 and 4 is given. Now let us check whether it is similar or not. அதுக்கு என்னப்பா செய்யணும்? first take two triangles in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. PQ is proportional to AB. So I can write PQ by AB. இப்படி எடுத்துக்கணும். இந்த சைடு எடுத்தா இந்த சைடு, சின்ன triangle பெரிய triangle, PQ by AB. So 3 by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. 1 time 2 time. So அதே மாதிரி இன்னொரு சைடு என்ன எடுத்துக்கலாம்? நம்பர் கொடுத்திருக்கிற சைடு மட்டும் எடுங்க. It is QR by BC. முதல்ல ஒரு தடவை இந்த triangle PQ முதல்ல எடுத்து AB செகண்ட் எடுத்து எழுதிப்பீங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் டைம் எடுக்கும்போது இந்த triangle to இந்த triangle தான் எடுக்கணும், மாத்தி எடுக்கக்கூடாது. இதுவும் இதுவும் எடுக்கக்கூடாது. In case if you are taking AB by PQ, then the next time you have to take BC by QR. So take it properly. So QR is 4, BC is 10. Now cancel this with 2 table, 2 times 5 times. So it is 2 by 5. Is 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 5? No, it is not equal. Therefore, I can say that PQ by AB is not equal to QR by BC. So therefore, the two sides, the corresponding sides are not proportional. Therefore, I can say that the corresponding sides are not proportional. Therefore, triangle ABC is not similar to triangle PQR. Now, example 4.3. Now, example 4.3. Now, what is given to find angle P? இந்த angle P நம்ம find out பண்ணணும். The two triangles given is, it is A, B, C, and it is 90 degree, and the measurement given is 3√3 centimeter, 6 centimeter, and 3 centimeter here. And the next triangle is it is R, it is P and Q, and the 90 degree is in R. So it is 12 centimeter, 6 centimeter, it is 6 root 3 centimeter. Now take the solution. Now at first we want to check whether these two triangles are similar or not. And one more, it is angle B is 60 degree. So in which similarity criterion it falls? Now we want to check. SAS la varuda, AA angle criterion la varuda, illa SSS la varudhan paakano. Okay, so I want to take these two triangles 90 degree எடுத்துக்கோங்க. இப்ப triangle வந்து shape மாறி இருக்கு. So பார்த்து எடுக்கணும், எந்தெந்த சைடு எடுக்கணும்னு பாருங்க. So in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, இந்த ரெண்டு triangleல first take ABC triangle. 90 degree opposite side la உள்ளது hypotenuse. So if you take BC, here you have to take PQ, and the opposite side correct ah irukanum. So it is BC by PQ is equal to, அப்புறம் இந்த 90 டிகிரிக்கு இந்த சைடு எடுத்தோம்னா it is AB, 90 டிகிரிக்கு இந்த சைடு எடுக்கணும் இப்போ. So இது வந்து என்ன ஆகுதுன்னா இந்த angle P and angle C and angle P is common, and this is, so 3 and 6 is proportional. AB is proportional to QR is equal to, and AC is proportional to PR. The root cancel ஆற மாதிரி எடுத்துக்கோங்க. Now BC is 6 by PQ is 12 is equal to, AB is 3, QR is 6 is equal to, AC is 3 root 3, PR is 6 root 3. So if you cancel 6 table cancel பண்ணுங்க, 1 time 2 time, here 3 table 1 time 2 time. Now root 3 cancel, 3 table 1 time 2 time. So here we are getting the answer 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2. So all the sides are proportional. All the sides na 3 sides are proportional. So yes similarity. So it comes under yes similarity. So I can say that these two triangles are similar. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. The rendu triangle similar. And also I can say that angle B is equal to angle Q. So therefore angle P is equal to angle C is equal to angle P. So this angle is equal to this angle. So angle C is equal to angle P. Now in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. This you know already, in 9th standard you have studied angle sum property of a triangle. If you add the 3 angles, you will get 180 degree. So angle A is, this symbol shows that it is 90 degree, plus angle B is 60 degree, plus angle C is equal to 180. 90 plus 60, 150, plus C, angle C, 180 degree. Angle C is equal to 180 degree. Bring this number this side, minus 150. So angle C is equal to 180 minus 150, 30 degree. So angle C equal to 30. Here I have taken angle C equal to angle P. Therefore angle P is equal to 30 degree is the answer. Now example 4.4. Now example 4.4. A boy of height 90 centimeter is walking away from the base of a lamp post at a speed of 1.2 meter per second. If the lamp post is 3.6 meter above the ground, find the length of his shadow cast after 4 seconds. So what it is given? At first let us draw the diagram. A lamp post and a boy is given. This is a boy. Take it as a boy. So his height is 90 centimeter and a lamp post is here. A lamp post is here. This is ground level. Take it as the lamp post. So this is the lamp post and its height is 3.6 meter. So it is in centimeter, it is in meter, not this. And if we join this, we get a triangle like this. So the boy's height is 90 centimeter, lamp post height is 3.6 meter. And the shadow cast from here to here is x. Take it as x. And to find this, we want to use a formula. So take this lamp post as AB, boy as CD, and this is the vertex V. So everything has finished. Now change this 90 centimeter is equal to 90 by 100 meter. So which is equal to, so 0 0 cancel, 9 by 10. If you write in decimal, you can get 0.9 meter. First இதை change பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோ. And then it is given speed. அந்த boy நடக்கிற speed கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. The speed is 1.2 meter per second. And the time is 4 seconds it is given. Then what is the distance? Do you know the formula for distance? Distance is equal to speed into time. So what is speed? What is time? Let us calculate. D is equal to, speed is 1.2 into time is 4. If we multiply these two, I am getting 4.8 meter. So distance is equal to 4.8 meter. And the boy in the lamp post la irundhu ivlo dooram nadandhutaan. So it is 4.8 meter. இங்க எழுதி வச்சுக்கோம். Now let us take the similarity triangles. So I can take it, these two triangles are similar. What are the triangles? ABE, one triangle, and CDE, another triangle. So two triangles are there. So since triangle ABE is similar to triangle CDE, we can write its sides as its proportionality. So taking triangle ABE, AB, take triangle CDE, take CD. So I can write AB by CD is equal to, take the base. In triangle ABE, BE. In triangle CDE, DE. Substitute the values. What is AB? 3.6 by what is CD? CD is 90 centimeter. 90 centimeter is equal to 0.9 meter. So is equal to, BE is this full length. So take 4.8 plus x. 4.8 plus x. Divide by DE is x. Now cancel this with the 9 table. So it is 1 time, it is 4 time. So 4, and cross multiply this x to this side. It becomes 4x is equal to 4.8 plus x. Now bring this x this side. So 4x minus x is equal to 4.8. 4x minus x is 3x is equal to 4.8. So x is equal to 4.8 by 3. 3 table cancel panna 1 time. 1 3 is 3. Balance 1. Point to vechkonga. 1 8 is 18. 6 3s are 18. So x is equal to 1.6 meter. So the answer is the length of the shadow. the length of the shadow of boy is equal to 1.6 meter.